Starting a cleaning business focused on cleaning apartments and motels can be a profitable venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Research the local market to understand the demand for cleaning services in your area. Identify your target audience, such as apartment complexes, vacation rentals, and motels. Develop a detailed business plan that outlines your services, pricing structure, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. 2. Legal considerations. Choose a suitable business name and check its availability. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits required in your jurisdiction. Decide on your business structure, sole proprietorship, LLC, etc., and consult with legal or financial professionals if needed. 3. Services and pricing. Determine the range of cleaning services you'll offer, such as regular cleaning, deep cleaning, move-in, move-out cleaning, and specialized services like carpet cleaning or window washing. Set competitive yet profitable pricing based on factors like the size of the unit, the level of cleaning required, and your local market rates. 4. Equipment and supplies. Invest in quality cleaning equipment and eco-friendly cleaning supplies. You'll likely need vacuum cleaners, mops, microfiber cloths, cleaning solutions, and more. 5. Marketing and branding. Create a professional brand identity including a logo, business cards, and a website. Having an online presence is crucial for attracting customers. Utilize online platforms such as social media, local business directories, and Google My Business to increase your visibility. Offer promotions or discounts to attract initial clients and build a client base. 6. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and gain repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries and address any customer concerns or feedback. Tailor your cleaning services to meet the specific needs of your clients. Flexibility can set you apart from competitors.